Hey guys, it's Steph. So I never really did like a proper intro for this video, but this video is going to be a prep with me for back to school because I have 2 more days of summer left and that's not okay. And I need to do a lot of things to prepare for the incoming school year. I'm going to be a junior if you wanted to know. There's so much construction outside of my house. It's really loud, so I'm sorry. But today is Tuesday. I start school on Thursday, the 5th. Not okay. So today I have to get my nails done, and I'm also gonna take out my braids because crusty. Let me show you guys my nails. I'm honestly embarrassed. It's been a rough week. Let me just say that. This is what my nails look like. Disgusting. They're all like bitten down except for this nail. This is the one nail I didn't touch, but it's very overgrown. And then this hand is the worst hand. This one, bitten down. This one is like down to the nub. Can't believe I'm filming this right now. So I don't really know what color I'm gonna get. I think I'm gonna do light purple or pink. Post it on my private Finsta asking my friends what they wanted me to get, and I'm just gonna do what they want. A couple days ago, I organized all my school supplies, so here is that footage. Hey guys, so today's little task is to set up my backpack and everything like that, because my backpack wasn't supposed to come until like September 4th, but it ended up coming today, and it's like way before that. Today is August 28th, which is pretty fantastic that my backpack shipped in like 2 days. I have a bunch of things, all my school supplies and everything like that to organize in my backpack. It's getting dark, so I should probably put my studio light up. You can tell how oily my skin is now. If you guys haven't watched my school supply haul, you should go do that first. Let's open this big box because I'm pretty sure it's my backpack. I think I ordered a pair of Vans like a while ago, but I'm not sure where they are or if the order even went through because they're not here and it's been like 2 weeks. So I should probably, you know, check on that. I don't know how to open this package. Wow, return label in my backpack. I got this backpack in the classic extra large style. Here it is. I don't know if all of my stuff's gonna fit in here, but we're gonna put all my stuff in it and we'll see how this works out. I have another package to open. This one's from Amazon. Hey, here's my belt. Here's my pencil cases. I literally have 5. What color do I pick? Pink, yellow, green, blue, or black? I'm gonna go with green, so it matches my backpack. Kind of fun, kind of fresh. This is tiny. Maybe this is good. Maybe it'll force me to be minimalistic. You guys can see my feet, and that makes me so unbelievably uncomfortable. All right, so I have 3 of these like good mechanical pencils. I'm just gonna put 2 in the pencil case because we're limited on space here. I'm also gonna put a pack of lead. Probably not gonna need a glue stick, so I'm just gonna leave these at home, I guess. And then I have all these mechanical pencils. I was not trying to be a beauty guru. I was really just protecting these from falling out. And I'm gonna put like 3 in there. I also want to put all of my flare pens in, which is a lot, so I have to fit all of these in that tiny pencil case, as well as some pens. I didn't buy any pens this year, but I have a bunch from years previous. So I'm just gonna do 2 blue and 2 black pens. This pencil case is like stuffed to the brim, but pencil case haul. Pencil case is packed. Now I have to go in and label all of my folders. Where's my phone? Literally, where's my phone? Like, this isn't a joke. Where's my phone? What? Where is my phone? Am I actually just like this much of an idiot? I just went downstairs, still can't find it. I'm an idiot. It's under the dumb box. I have to pull out my schedule so I can label my folders. On the little like nail swap nail polish like tester thingy. Like on it looks way brighter, way more like corally, but it's actually super light and I'm not really a fan of it, but at the same time I kind of like it. But right now I am about to go take my braids out, but I really don't want to, so I'm just gonna like not remind my mom that we have to do that. Yes, I'm 3 years old. My mom has to do my hair all the time. I just don't know how to do it. Even like when I have like my normal hair, like I can't do it myself, so my mom has to do it for me. So that's always fun. I'm literally 5. But for now I need to clean up my room because this is the current state of my room. This is my desk. This is my trash. A literal mess. This is my dresser. This is the floor. Not okay. So I have a lot to clean. Okay, my room is slowly starting to get a little bit cleaner, but I still have to work on my closet, and I also have to unpack that backpack because it's from lifeguarding, and I'm done lifeguarding for the summer because the summer's over. And I really just need to fix that. All right, so my closet is all clean now. You can actually walk and it's actually organized again. But while I was cleaning, I found these clothes that I just do not want anymore. They mostly just don't fit anymore. So I just have a bunch of jeans and denim skirts I'm gonna list on Poshmark right now. Guys, this is my last time having braids in. I wanted to get them for the school year, but that's kind of a long story as to why I cannot. And I'm so tired, I just don't want to do this. I'm sweating too. These are so crusty though. Ew. See you guys later. I'm gonna look so crusty when this is done. I just took my braids out. I have to be quiet because my brother is taking a nap. Okay, kind of thriving right now, but at the same time not, because I look like a little boy right now. My hair is like back in some like thing. But I'm thriving because my hair is slowly getting less damage and I'm really just happy about that. But all like the heat damaged edges are like slowly falling off, which sounds like it would be bad, but it's actually like really nice. And I'm probably gonna blur out this entire clip because I look like George Washington gone wrong. So I'm happy. Love that for me. I'm gonna go blow out my hair now and get more heat damage. Hey guys, it's about 7:45. If you see like white stuff, I have face wash like drying on my face right now. Kind of ratchet, kind of don't care. I have to leave in like 20 minutes. I have to eat breakfast and do a bunch of things before I leave and go to the hair salon to get my hair done. This ain't it. Last time with this hair. Not mad about it. Bye. Okay, I'm back from the hair salon. Here's my hair. Same style that I had before. First thing I have to do is unpack my lifeguarding backpack because summer equals over. So I have to unpack all this. Pencil, gum wrappers, sunglasses, gum, hair tie, wallet, 10 bucks, string, more gum wrappers, another gum wrapper, food, charger, lotion, deodorant, nothing, eraser, paintbrush, pencil, Sharpie, bracelet, sweatpants, towel, t-shirt, fanny pack that I never wore, paper, charging head, gum wrapper, random paper, and last but not least, a water bottle. Okay, there was way too much stuff in there. It's kind of disgusting. Now this is empty, but now my desk looks like this. So I'm gonna go organize all this stuff and then I'll be back. Okay, my desk is pretty clean. I just have this stuff on it. So I have to put all this in my backpack. So the problem with this backpack is that there's like no space to put anything. Like there's a lot of room, but just not many pockets. So I have this extra pencil case from last year that I'm just gonna put all my stuff that like my essentials in. So I'm gonna have a charger head, charger cord, and a portable charger. We're also gonna add all of this junk. So my perfume, deodorant, lotion. So my wallet and AirPods I'm gonna put in the front. Those can chill with my lunch, I guess. That's all for my backpack. And now let's move on to my next task. Okay, my next task is to cut off these crusty bracelets. Oh, so I'm gonna slice these off. Sorry, Lauren, she made me one of these, but it's gotten too crusty. I've gotta take it off. Well, technically I can save this. I'm gonna save this one because she made me it and it's actually really good. It's just like faded a lot, but I could wear it next summer if I want to. Sad boy hours. No longer a Visco girl, even though I'm still wearing an oversized t-shirt. Now I gotta plan out my outfits and my closet has awful lighting. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, first priority is to figure out my first day outfit. I have zero clue. Like everyone's like, oh, I'm wearing a dress, but I don't have cute dresses to wear. I have this romper that I bought on Poshmark, but I'm not really in the mood to wear that. That could be like a second day outfit, but I forget like all the clothes that I bought. I'm gonna try on this black top with this skirt and see how that looks. Kind of look like a waitress, so I'm not really a fan of this vibe. Sad boy hours. Okay, I don't like this either. It's too like form-fitting to the body for my liking, and the skirt's like kind of a little small. Okay, this romper's cute, but it's a little too summery, and it just like doesn't flatter me that well. Okay, I like this, but also looks like I'm going to fight in the army, and that's not really the vibe I'm going for. Okay, I added a white shirt, and I kind of like it, but I also added a belt, and I hate it. So let me take this belt off. I'm not really going for the edgy vibe on the first day. I want like the sweet, like innocent, like give me an A, please vibes. I don't know if this is a look or not. I don't know. I could try like my gingham pants on too. Like I know I like this outfit, but I know I'm gonna leave the house and then regret it. Okay, no thank you. I do not like this outfit. These are not it. It's been like 30 minutes since I last filmed that last clip, and I finally think I found an outfit that I kind of like. I'm gonna be sweating because I'm wearing pants, but it's okay, I guess. It's just like this. This could be off the shoulder, but I'm not really trying to wear a strapless bra because that's annoying.
Thinking of you, thinking of you. Thinking of you.
Alright, so I just packed my lunch. I packed a salad with all the stuff in it, and then carrots on the side. Carrots I know I'm gonna eat halfway through the day before lunch because I'm gonna be starving. And then a granola bar. I gotta go to softball now. Hey guys, so it's about 10 right now. I just got home from practice like 10 minutes ago. I showered really quick, put my hair in this low bun, really cute, and I'm getting ready for bed. So I just have to finish washing my face, brush my teeth, and then it's lights out for me. Like I'm not gonna be able to fall asleep. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me have like 10 mental breakdowns while trying to figure out an outfit. I'm wearing the gingham pants. May change that to the camo pants mid-morning. Who knows? You guys have to stay tuned. On Friday, I think I'm uploading my first day of school get ready with me vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below when you went back to school. Subscribe below if you're new. I would love to have you join the fam. This is a very long outro. Peace out. See you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Bye.